Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix missing codec error on your Windows 10 or 11. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that will help you with our topic in this video. So for example, you're trying to open up a video file and you're getting this error and you cannot play it. The first thing you're going to do is search for Microsoft Store, and let's open this up. And at the top, you should have a search bar where you can search for VLC Media Player, and we are going to select this VLC app right here with this logo and make sure to install it. Click on yes, and once it is installed, we are then going to search for VLC Media Player on your Windows, and we are going to open the app. And from here, let's click on the media tab at the very top left and go to convert or save. From here, click on add and locate the video file that you're getting this error from and click on open. From here, click on convert or save at the bottom, and for the profile, select H.265 plus MP3, which is the MP4 format. And for the destination file, you will then browse and select the folder where you want this to be saved. I'm just going to save it on my desktop and hit save and click on start at the bottom, and it will then load up at the bottom and convert your file. And you can then go ahead and go to the destination folder that you selected and try playing the video, and that should solve your problem. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.